Running a Shopify store is great, but if your inventory is a mess, you're losing sales. Let's walk through the ultimate guide to managing Shopify inventory using Odoo from sync to fulfillment. Start by connecting Shopify to Odoo using a powerful connector. This syncs your products, stock quantities, orders, and even customer data between the two platforms automatically. Odoo now becomes your central inventory management system. You can view on-hand stock, incoming shipments, stock locations, and even manage multiple warehouses. When a Shopify order is placed, Odoo auto-generates a sales order, reserves the stock, and creates a delivery order for your warehouse team. With reordering rules, Odoo helps ensure you never run out of top-selling products, set minimum stock levels per product, and Odoo can automatically create purchase orders based on demand. Odoo's powerful reporting tools give you insights into stock value, movement history, aging reports, and more. You'll always know where your stock is, how it's moving, and what it's worth. Odoo gives you complete control over your Shopify inventory, automated, accurate, and scalable. No more spreadsheets, no more stock headaches, just a clean, connected operation built for growth. Follow us for more practical tips on running your business smarter with Odoo
at www.o2btechnologies.com.